is clear? Simplify 28.796 minus 13.42 minus 2.55. In problems of decimal, addition and subtraction, you check whether they are like decimal. Like decimal means they should have same number of places after decimal. If they are not like decimal, first you convert them into like decimals. So once they have become like decimal, you perform the operations. Then in the same way you have to do, let me write second problem. Second one, 93.354 minus 62.82 minus 13.045. Okay, same problem, 045. So this will be homework. Okay, same problem, nothing else, no more difference. Next is 36 minus 18.59 minus 3.2. Okay, let me solve this. This is slightly different. 936, there is no decimal, my dear. Whereas in decimal place is 2, decimal place is 1. There is no decimal place. Decimal place is 0. Okay. No. We will not put the decimal, my dear. After point there are 2 digits. So this 36 I will write 36.00. Okay. 36 I will write 36.00 minus 18.59 minus 3.2. 3.2 I will write 3.20. Is it clear? 36 we write. Now what is the number of decimal places? 2, 2, 2. So they are like decimal. So 36 you will write 36.00. Now let us subtract 36.00 from 36.00. You have to subtract 18.59. 18.59. Let us subtract minus. Now 0 is there, smaller. So 1 will be carried, it becomes 10. Then this 10 will become 9 and 6 will become 5. Okay, let us see. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 5 is 4. Point. Then it is 5 and it is 8. Still 5 is smaller than 8. So 1 will be carried. Then 3 will become 2 and 5 will become 15. 5 will become 15. So 15 minus 8 is 7. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. 17.41. This. Now from 17.41 you have to subtract this. 17.41 minus 3.20. 3.20. Let us subtract. 1 minus 0, 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. 7 minus 3 is 4. 1 minus 0 is 1. 14.21 is the answer. 14.21. Answer is 14.21. Yes. Is it clear? So whenever there is no decimal, we write point and then we write down the number of decimal places, 0, 0. In the decimal place we take 0, 0. If there is no decimal, then we take in the decimal places 0, 0. Okay, we take the decimal place 0, 0. Okay. So the important part is you have to convert unlike decimals into like decimals, and after that you have to perform operations, addition and subtraction. So your first job is to convert unlike decimals into like decimals. Unlike decimals into like decimals. But now fourth one, 86 plus, my dear, very much clear, 86 plus 16.95 From my side it is showing very much clear. Minus 3.0042. 3.0042. So first you check whether they are like decimals. This is plus, this is minus. Number of decimal places 0. Number of decimal place 2. Number of decimal places 4. So they are unlike decimal. And which is the maximum place of decimal? 4. So 86 we will write 86 point. Write 4 zeros in the decimal place. 16.9500 minus 3.0042. Okay. Now you check whether they have converted into like decimal. So number of decimal places 4. Number of decimal places 4. Number of decimal places 4. So they are like decimal. So now simplify. First I will perform these two addition. So that is 86.401234. Then 16.9500. And this is addition. My dear, I have already told you where decimal places addition subtraction will help you in physics and chemistry numerical problems. Okay? Physics and chemistry numerical problems you will definitely come across the decimal places addition and subtraction. So let us add. Plus means addition. 0 plus 0 0. 0 plus 0 0. 0 plus 5 5. 0 plus 9 9. Okay. Then 6 plus 6 is 12. 1 is carried. 1 plus 8 9. 9 plus 1 10. 102.9500. So now from when we add this we get 102.9500. Now from this I have to subtract. Minus means subtract. So 102.9500. From this I have to subtract minus 3. 3 I will write in the unit place. 3.0042. 3 you have to write down in the unit place. Now let us subtract. This is 0, this is 0. So 2. So this become 10. This become 9. And 5 will become 4. Let us see. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9. This is minus. Subtract. 9 minus 4 is 5. 4 minus 0 is 4. 9 minus 0 is 9. Then this is 2 and 3. So this will become 12. And 0 will become 9. 1 will become 0. 12 minus 3 is 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. 99.945. Yes, answer is 99.945. Okay. Answer is 99.945. Yes, everybody is following? Yes. If there is any difficulty, you ask. Okay, because the concept of addition and subtraction of decimal should be clear. This you will find mostly in chemistry, then in physics, then mathematics it is already there. So physics and chemistry numerical problems, you will definitely come across decimal place addition subtraction. Then fifth one, 32.8 minus 13 minus 10.725 plus 3.517. This is 4 number. So let me do this. Okay, 517. Chalo, let me do this. First you check whether they are like decimal. Decimal place 1, decimal place 2, decimal place 3. Wait. decimal place 0, 13. Decimal place 3, decimal place 3. So they are unlike decimals. Maximum decimal place is 3. So you make 3 zeros at the right side. So 32.800. 2 zeros, my dear. Minus 13.30. Minus 10.725. Plus 3.517. Okay, now you check whether they are like decimals. You count the number of decimal places, 3, 3, 3, 3. So they are like decimal. So perform first you have to subtract, then again you have to subtract, and at the end you have to add. So 3 steps. 32.800 minus 13.000. Let us subtract. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 0, 8. Then this is 2. So this will become 12. 2 will become 12. And 3 will become 2. 12 minus 3 is 9. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. 19.800. Okay. So subtraction of these two is 19.800. Again we have to subtract this. So 19.800. From this I have to subtract this minus 10.725. 725. Now this is 0 and 5. So 0 will become 10. 0 will become 9. 8 will become 7. Let us see what happens. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. 9 minus 0 is 9. 1 minus 1 is 0. 9.075, which I can write 9.075. 9.075. Okay. 09 is same as 9, my dear. We have studied. So now we have done. From this, when we subtract this, we get 9.075. From to 9.075, we have to add this. Now it is plus 3.517. 7 plus 5 is 12. 1 is carried. 1 plus 7, 8 plus 1, 9. 0 plus 5, 5. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12.592. The final answer is 12.592. The final answer is 12.592. Yes. Which part? Okay. 32.800, we have to subtract this. We get 19.800. From 19.800, we have to subtract this. We get 9.075. 9.075, we have to add 3.517. We get 12.592. Okay, so whenever 4 numbers are there, you have to do the calculation 3 times. Whenever 3 numbers are there, you have to do the calculation 2 times. Whenever 2 numbers are there, you have to do the calculation 1 time. That is the logic. Okay. 2 number, do the calculation once. 3 number, do the calculation twice. 4 number, do the calculation thrice. That's all. Chalo, next. Which one? 5th we did. Now 6th one. 4,000. 6th one is 4,000. 4,000 minus 30.51. 30.51 minus 753.101 minus 753.101 minus 69.43. What do you want? I should solve this? Yes? My dear, see, these are bigger numbers. These are bigger number. Do not get scared. Okay? चलो ठीक है homework. Then seventh one 0.1835 plus 162.2005 minus 25.9 minus 100. You convert them into like decimal. Yes, what you want? Homework? Okay. Eighth one. 38.00 minus 30 plus 200 point 200. Okay, mute the microphone. Minus 0.230. Mute the microphone, please. Mute the microphone. Okay. 230. Then ninth one 555.555. Yes, mute the microphone. Plus 55.555. Last reminder, mute the microphone, otherwise you will be removed, my dear. Afterward you will send me the request, I will not admit. Mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. चलो ठीक है. minus 5.55. चलो ठीक है. Because 4 times I gave the remainder. 5.555 minus 0.555. We are giving the remainder thrice, 4 times. Our time is getting wasted. So should I give homework on this? चलो homework. Same type of problem, my dear. Same type of problem. Okay. So, whenever you want to add or subtract decimal, you check whether they are like decimals or not. If they are not like decimal, first you convert them into like decimals. That's all. Now let us do the word problem. Find the difference between. Fourth problem. Find the difference between. Find the difference between. All of you are having the textbook. Okay. So what do you mean by difference? Minus. Okay. So that is 6.85 and 0.685. 0.685. You have to find the difference. Okay. So which number is bigger? 6.85. So that I will write first. 6.85. Then this is 3. They are not like decimal. We write 0. 0.685. First we have to convert them into like decimal. 685. Now difference means minus. 10 minus 5 is 5. This 0 will become 10, my dear. 0 will become 10. 5 will become 4. But this is 8. So 8 will become 7. 4 will become 14. Okay, let us see what. 14 minus 8 is 14 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Then 6 minus 0 is 6. 6.165. So we write difference of 6.85 and 0.685 and 0.685 is 6.165. Difference means subtraction. So difference of these two is 6.165. Then fifth question, take out the sum of 19.38 and 56.025, then subtract it from 200.111. Yes? Yes, what is your question? My dear, our side it is showing clear. How? It is showing clear. Okay. Now take out the sum of, fifth one. Take out the sum of. You have to find the sum of. Sum means addition of. Sum of which number? 19.38. 19.38 and 56.0. We have to find the sum of these two. Okay. After finding the sum of these two, you have to subtract it. You have to subtract the sum from 200, 200.111. From this you have to subtract the sum. Subtract means minus, and that answer you have to find. Okay. Understanding the question? Yes. Have you understand the question? You have to find the sum of these two. Then whatever is the sum or total, that total you have to subtract from 200.111. So let us find the sum of these two. Are they like decimal? This is 38. This is 3 decimal. So make it, yes. So you will write this as 19.380. 380. Then sum means plus 56.025. Let us find the addition of these two. 0 plus 5, 5. 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 is carried. 1 plus 3 is 4. 9 plus 6 is 15. 1 is carried. 1 plus 1, 75.405. This is the sum. This is my sum. Okay. Now this sum I have to subtract from 200.11. So 200.11, 1 I have to subtract minus 75.405. So let us subtract. This is 1 smaller. So 1 will become 11. This is 1. So 1 will become 0. 1 will become 11. Then 0 will become 9. Then 0 will become 9. Correct. 1 is carried there. Then 2 will become 1. Let us subtract. 11 minus 5 is 6. 11 minus 5 is 6. 0 minus 0, 0. Then 11 minus 4 is 7. Then 9. 1 is carried there. 9 minus 0. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 7 is 2. Then 1 minus 0 is 1. 124.706. Yes. So answer is 124.706. This is the answer. So first you have to find the sum of these two numbers by converting them into like decimal. After finding the sum, that sum you have to subtract from 200.111. Answer is 124.706. Now what should be added to? Okay, this type of problem. The same type of problems are there. We have seen in integer. What should be added? Let x be added. Yes? Yes or no? What should be subtracted? Page number 59. Okay. What should be added to 39.587 to give? Seventh one. What should be added? Let me write the question. What should be added? What should be added to 39.587 to give 80.375? Give means equal. Gives means equal. Okay. So we write. Let us write the solution. Let x be added. Sixth one is homework. Yes, sixth one is homework. Okay. Now seventh one. So what should be added to this? So we write let x be added. Let x be added to 39.587. So let x be added to. So we write 39.587. This number is added to x. When you add x to this number, it gives. Gives means equal to. Which number? 80.375. This is my equation. What should be added to? The similar type of problem we have seen in integer. What integer should be added? Let x be added. Yes. So now see here. Before equal to, it is by left hand side. After equal to, it is by right hand side. And whenever you change the side, sign changes. Plus become minus, minus become plus. Multiplication become division, division becomes multiplication. Now you see this. This is plus x. So I will keep there only x. X I will not take other side. But this is plus 39. When I will take plus 39 of left hand side on the right hand side, this will become minus. This will become minus. So you will get x is equal to 80.375 minus 39.57. Now you check whether they are like decimal. Yes, they are like decimal. Yes. So directly subtract. 80.375 minus 39.587. Let us subtract. We write them vertically. This is 5. So 5 will become 15. Then 6. This is 6. 6 will become 16. 3 will become 2. Then 0 will become 9. 2 will become 12. Okay. Then 8 will become 7. Let us see what happens. So 15 minus 7 is 8. Then 16 minus 8 is 8. Okay. Then 12 minus 5 is 7. Then 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. Then 7 minus 3 is 4. Answer is 40.788. Yes? Yes? Yes or no? So answer is, we write the answer. Answer we write 40.788 is added to 39.587. This is the answer. 40.788 is added. Okay. 40.788 is added. So now it is 9:41. We stop here. This video I will upload on the YouTube as well as in the group. You go through this video. Yes, and try to solve the homework because exams are over now. Every day you have to send me the homework. And one important thing which I would like to instruct, after your first term end examination, Okay, listen it carefully. After your first term and examination, whatever class notebook you have made, that class notebook, each page you have to take the photograph, make single PDF of that entire notebook and send me for correction. Entire notebook you have to send me for the correction after first term and examination. Okay. Bye everybody. Bye. Bye. Bye everybody.